Here's a new trend in apps called FloSports. Watch live sports, live replays and highlights. Stream every moment. Live stream replays and highlights. FloSports app is the best way to watch your favorite sports. Stream thousands of live events per year across more than 20 different sports. Watch unlimited highlights, full replays, exclusive coverage, and original content. FloSports app gives you the ability to stream anywhere, personalize your experience, stay updated, improved search, original content, data at your fingertips. So here you have it, real-time match data. One of the top apps, as you can see right now in the sports, really cool. So let's open it up. And then you can see sports, different replays. Some, of course, some niche sports. But yeah, then you can see schedule. And you can see news. You can go to search. And then you can see all types of categories, and you can see your account. And that's the idea.